Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change or edit your shipping address on AliExpress. So first of all, open up AliExpress. Now once you're at AliExpress, click on this account button at the bottom right corner right here. Now in here, click on the settings button in the top right here. And in here, click on shipping address. Now in here, you will have your shipping address. You can either add another address or you can edit the one that is already there. In order to edit it, click on this edit button right here. And now in here, you can edit your shipping address. You can add some contact information, change your number, you can edit your address from here. And after you're done with all the editing, click on save and your shipping address would now be edited. So that is how you can change or edit your shipping address on AliExpress. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address in AliExpress. So first of all, open up the website of AliExpress. Now once you're at the website, make sure to log in using your account. Now after you're done so, click on this button right here. And in here, click on settings. Now once you're in settings, click on shipping address below it. And in here, you will see your shipping address. Now in order to edit it, click on this edit button right here. And in here, you can edit your shipping address. You can type in your contact information, your mobile phone number, you can change your country or region. And in this window right here, you can edit your shipping address. And after you've done all that, click on confirm and your shipping address would now be changed. So that is how you can change your shipping address in AliExpress.